Video number 5. Facebook Groups. A Facebook group is a platform that makes it easier for a specific set of people, teammates, family members, or even coworkers to connect. These platforms often feature dedicated spaces that allow the connected members to share information, updates, documents, photos, or even personalized messages. To create a group. On your homepage, visit the Groups section on the left side of your Facebook profile and click on the Create Group link. A pop-up will appear prompting you to fill in the fields required in creating your group. You will be required to come up with a name for your group, determine the members from your friends list that you wish to add in the group, and determine among 3 levels of privacy you would prefer for your group. Group name. Consider creating a short and memorable name for your Facebook group. Also, ensure that the name is significant to the purpose of your group and the audience you wish to appeal to. Remember that a group does not operate like a Facebook page. While anyone can like a page, a group has some privacy controls that can limit who joins the group. Members. Since a Facebook group provides a platform for a specific type of audience, it is imperative to add only people that appeal to the purpose of the group. Avoid adding everyone on your friends list if you wish to maintain a definite and discreet conversation within your group. Privacy. Facebook allows you to choose between 3 privacy options. These include public. Anyone on Facebook can be able to see the group, its members, and the posts they make. Closed. Anyone on Facebook can find the group, see who's in it, but only the members can see any posts made. Secret. Only members of the group can access it and see posts made. Choose an icon. In this section, Facebook requires you to choose an icon for your Facebook group. Even though this step is not mandatory, it is important to enhance the look of your group. Important. Choose an icon that complements the name and objective of your group. Personalize your group. Once you have created your Facebook group, it is time to personalize it and make it more attractive. You can personalize your group by uploading a photo. Select a photo that closely relates to the identity of your group. This will guide members in determining the main purpose of the group. Add group information. This section allows you to add a description to your group. It may also prompt you to add an icon and a cover photo if you did not add one at the earlier stages. A description of your group allows you to tell members and any other prospective members about the purpose of your group. Make your description as elaborate as possible to enable your audience to easily understand what you are communicating. Add to favorites. Once your group information is 100% complete, you can choose to add your group to the favorites selection of your personal Facebook profile. Adding your group to the favorites sections allows you to have easy access to it without much effort. See tips. Facebook has introduced this new section to allow you to check out the basic tips on how to get members in your group involved. By clicking this button, a document titled Facebook Tips for Group Admins will open. The document includes videos, texts, and pictures on what to do. Some of the tips that you'll need to engage your audience include: tell your audience the reason you created your group. Highlight some of the text, pictures, or videos you wish to post regularly. Always take the time to welcome new members. Let members know that they can invite their friends to your group. Allow the group adequate time to develop and get going. Take the time to read comments made by members and leave relevant comments where possible. Look for interesting content to post. Ask your members questions on what they wish to see covered in the group. Tag people in your posts to attract their attention and encourage conversations. Check in with your group at least once per week. Group Dashboard. The Dashboard section of your Facebook group consists of various sections. These include: Join. Allows new members to join your group. If your group's privacy is set to public, new members will be automatically added to your list of members. However, if the privacy is set to closed, you can choose whether to approve new member requests or allow other group members to approve too. Share. Allows you and other group members to share the group on your platform or other Facebook channels to encourage more members to join. Add people. This section allows you to add new members by searching their Facebook usernames in the search section. Manage group. Allows you to respond to pending posts, member requests, or any other request notifications from your group members. Send message. You can send a message to your group members. Create event. Facebook now allows you to create and even promote a real event from your Facebook group. It is so easy. Just click on Create Event, and Facebook will guide you through the process. Edit group settings. You can edit different settings, such as the group name, icon, privacy, membership approvals, web and email addresses, description, tags, posting permissions, and posting approval. Discussion. The main section of the group where posts made by you and your members appear. In the discussion section, you can write a post, add a photo or video, ask a question, or even add a file. Members. Check the members in your group from this section. Events. The past and future events appear here. If you have not created an event, Facebook will prompt you to create one. Photos. Any photos posted on the group wall will appear in this section. Files. Files posted on your wall are stored here.